It's a beautiful day, and I welcome you to the semi-finals of the annual quiz competition for students of secondary schools in Ogun State. Thank you very much. This is the senior category, and this competition is proudly sponsored by SD Holdings Foundation. A round of applause for SD Holdings. Thank you very much. My name is Goki Rauf. I am your quiz master. We have 6 contestants for these semi-finals. The 6 of them, 1 girl, 5 boys. A round of applause for them. Thank you very much. Let me start the introduction of the 6 contestants. John. John, welcome to the semi-finals.
Thank you, sir.
How are you?
I'm doing good, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Are you ready for this semi-finals?
Yes, sir.
How ready are you?
100%.
100% ready. A round of applause for you. All right. What school do you represent?
Ideal Comprehensive College.
Ideal Comprehensive College. Where is that located?
Keshaji Abeokuta.
Abeokuta, yeah. Welcome to the semi-finals. A round of applause. Rosemary,
Yes, sir.
how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
I love your heart.
Thank you, sir.
So beautiful. Welcome to the semi-finals. Yes, what did you score to get to this?
In the first one,
The quarterfinals.
130.
130. Good. Good score.
Thanks.
And you hope to do better today?
Yes, sir.
Welcome to the semi-final. What school do you have?
Our Lady of Apostles, Private Ijebode.
Ijebode. You came all the way from Ijebode today.
Yes, sir.
A round of applause for Rosemary. Welcome to the second semi-final. Mr. Treasure, how are you?
Fine, sir.
God's own treasure. Yeah, I can see you're smiling. Welcome to the semi-finals. What school do you represent?
Secondary school, Shagan.
Remo Secondary School, Shagam. You came all the way from Remo today, Shagam today.
Yes, sir.
Oh, welcome. How was your journey?
Yes, sir.
Very beautiful.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. Welcome to the semi. Samuel.
Yes, sir.
Ever smiling Samuel. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
You are very fine.
Yes, sir.
Are you ready for the semi-final?
Yes, sir.
Very ready.
Yes, sir.
All right. Welcome to the semi-final. What is the name of your school?
App Scholars Universal College.
App Scholars, Universal College. Where is it located?
Ottawa State.
Otta in Ogun State. You came from Otta this morning.
Yes, sir.
And how was the journey?
Yes, sir.
Welcome to the semi-final. Favor. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Very fine.
Yes, sir.
The way you put up your smile gives me the confidence that it doesn't confident. How confident are you? Very confident. Okay. What do you intend to really achieve today?
I will advance to the finals.
You will advance to the finals. That's a good one. What's the name of your school?
Adeola Tola College, Private Ijebode.
Adeola Odutola College, Ijebu-Ode. Welcome to the semi-finals. Lula, you're welcome.
Thanks, sir.
What do you expect at this semi-finals?
Qualified to the finals.
You want to qualify to the finals.
Yes, sir.
And are you ready? Very ready. Welcome to the semi-finals.
Thanks, sir.
So what's the name of your school?
Ogun International School.
What?
Adedokun.
Adedokun International School. That's located at where? Otta. Welcome to the seminar. Distinguished audience, here we are, the semi-finals of the quiz competition for secondary schools in Ogun State are sponsored by SD Holdings Foundation. Welcome to the semi-final, distinguished audience, and a round of applause for yourself. My name is Goki Raouf. I'm your quiz master, and I'm ready to take the 6 of you through this semi-final. Now the rules. You're familiar with the rules, but I think it's important for us to simply just read the rules out again. There are 2 rounds. Round 1 is made up of mathematics all through. 10 questions, and each of you will be expected to answer each question within 10 seconds. Do we understand? Thank you very much. And round 2 will be made up of physics, chemistry, and biology. 10 questions too, and you also be expected to answer a question within 10 seconds. Are we ready to go? Question 1. If log 5 plus log 5x plus 1 bracket is equal to log x plus 5 into bracket plus 1, then x is equal to a3, b5, c1, d10. Question 2. In how many ways can 4 boys and 3 girls be seated in a row so that there is no same gender sitting next to each other? A. 12, B. 144, C. 288, D. 256. Question 3. Statistically, the spread of scatterness of observation in a data is called A. Standard deviation, B. Range, C. Discriminant, and D. Dispersion. Question 4. If log A over B plus log B divided by A is equal to log A plus B, then A minus B is equal to 1, 2, B, A plus B is equal to 1, C, A is equal to B, D, A plus B is equal to 0. Question 5. How much time will it take for an amount of 45,000 naira to yield 8,100 naira as interest at 4.5% per annum of simple interest? A. 4 to 5 years, 4.5 years, B. 3.5 years, C. 5 years, and D. 4 years. At the end of the first 5 questions, Samuel, you scored 40. Rosemary, you scored 30. Favor, you scored 20. Treasure, you scored 20. Lula, you scored 20. And John, you scored 20. Let's continue from question 6 now. Question 6. The sizes of the interior angles in degree of a polygon are x, 2x, 120, 3x, 36, and 120. What is the value of x? A. 74, B. 16, C. 14, and D. 44. Question 7. If 3 coins are tossed simultaneously, what is the probability of getting at least 2 heads? A, 3/8, B, 1/4, C, 1/2, and D, 1/8. Question 8. If A is a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and B is a set of 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, then B minus 8 is A, 6, set 8, 6, 8, B, set 4, 5, C, set 1, 6, and D, set 1, 5. Question 9. 3 gentlemen and 3 ladies are candidates for 2 elective posts. A voter has to vote for 2 candidates. In how many ways can a voter cast his vote? A, 9, B, 30, C, 15, and D, 36. Question 10. Find the 7th term of the geometric progression 2, 6, 18. A, 5,832, B, 2,919, C, 729, D, 1,458. That was the end of the first round. And at the end of the first round, Favor, you scored 30. John, you scored 40. Rosemary, you scored 40. Treasure, you scored 40. And Samuel, you scored 70. Lula scored 40. At the end of the first round, Favor is sure to end this journey here because you scored 30. Thank you very much. A round of applause for Favor. Now, all others except Samuel scored 40. And then the only person that is sure to actually move to the second round is Samuel with 70 marks. You have the grace of the control to proceed, the 5 of you, to the second round. A round of applause for the 5 contestants as we move to the second round. This is the second round. I remain Goke Rauf, your quiz master. Question 1. A serious disadvantage of complexity in higher organisms is A, ability to function in many specialized roles, B, little amount of energy dissipated in functioning, C, specialization of parts of the body, and D, a high demand for food and energy. Question 2. High-speed electrons from particle detectors are used to determine A, interatomic distance, B, circumference of atomic nuclei, C, diameter of atomic nuclei, and then D, arrangement of atoms in metals. Question 3. In photoelectric effect, electrons should be removed from the from core, B, surface, C, the nucleus, D, inner shells. Question 4. The type of nutrition shown by spirogyra is A, holophytic, B, holozoic, C, chemosynthetic, and D, symbiosis. Question 5. Which of the following atoms has fewest neutrons? A, gallium-71, B, germanium-70, C, germanium-72, and D, zinc-70. At the end of the first 5 questions, John, you have 40. Treasure, you have 30. Rosemary, you have 30. Samuel, you have 30. And Lula, you have 10. Let's continue. Question 6. If energy loss is 0, then decrease in gravitational potential energy is equal to A, constant kinetic energy, B, decrease in kinetic energy, C, 0 kinetic energy, and D, gain in kinetic energy. Question 7. Direction of conventional current is A, same as that of electric current, B, direction of flow of positive charge, C, direction of neutron flow, and D, direction of electron flow. Question 8. Which of the following molecules is not an allotrope of carbon? A, carbon 4 oxide, B, carbon diamond, C, carbon graphite, and D, carbon 60. Question 9. A bacterial cell differs from eukaryotic cell by having no A, nuclear membrane, B, nuclear material, C, cell membrane, and D, cell wall. Question 10. Total capacitance of 300 microfarad capacitor and 600 microfarad in series is A, 500 microfarad, B, 200 microfarad, C, 300 microfarad, and D, 1000 microfarad. That is the end of the second round. At the end of the second round, John, you scored 80. Rosemary, you scored 70. Samuel, you scored 60. Treasure, you scored 50. And Lula, you scored 40. And at the end of the 2 rounds, Treasure, your total score is 90. Rosemary, your total score is 110. Lula, your total score is 80. John, your total score is 120. And Samuel, your total score is 130. With these results, John, you have advanced to the finals. And Samuel, you have also advanced to the finals. Thank you very much for being part of this quiz competition. It's been tough, but of course, the tough only gets going. That is the end of the first semi-finals of the annual quiz competition for students of state secondary schools, and of course at the end of this round, 2 persons have advanced to the finals. They are Samuel and John. Thank you very much. My name is Goki Rauf. I remain your quiz master. Of course, we will meet at the finals in another day.